Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share the latest job openings in Ahmedabad location. It is from Gujarat. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there is a job opening for App Store Optimization Executive position ASO. So it is from Grey Desk India. So coming to about the job, you should be having at least 3 years of experience in ASO with a consumer tech product or about 3 years of experience in digital marketing and lead efforts to boost app visibility, improve impression to download conversion, and you should be responsible for identifying new ASO opportunities including keywords, recommendations and creative improvement opportunities and lead tests and experiments to acquire expert knowledge in ASO and implement your findings. And you need to develop your app store optimization expertise and keep your knowledge up to date regarding new app stores and mobile growth trends. And you need to create ASO audits, conduct keyword optimizations and build recommendations to increase the visibility and app installs. You need to monitor and track App Store rankings using the latest analytic tracking tools. What do we expect from you? You have a strong understanding of keyword research and also you have an excellent understanding of the different app stores and their processes. So these are the responsibilities for this position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, I'll include this link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for e-commerce specialist position. It is from Divine Casa. So it is among the top brands on Amazon, Myntra and Flipkart. So they are hiring for e-commerce marketing executive or specialist positions. So the candidate will be responsible for product listing, development and maintenance of online stores such as Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Snapdeal, Azio, Tata Click and others, and also actively participate in new marketing strategies based on the review of business analytics. So these are the details about this e-commerce specialist position. So if you are interested to apply for this position, the link is available in the description to apply, so you can have a look on that one. Next one, there is a job opening for executive customer interaction. So it is from Bayer. So coming to requirements, any graduates are eligible to apply for this position, and also the candidates should be having 3 to 5 years of experience in customer service, supply chain management, IT or related fields, and also you should be having the knowledge of SAP, SD module and MS Office is must. And under the key skills, customer focus and relationship management, results orientation, collaboration and agility, flexibility and integrity. So, and you should be having good oral and written communication skills and also good in English and regional language. So these are the skills required for this position. And coming to tasks and responsibilities, under the customer interaction, you can check here with all the responsibilities under the customer interaction and also under the case management, like receive and route queries by raising and closing tickets on the SFDC platform. So check here with all the details mentioned here. And also under the collaboration, you need to involve customer operations team and other functions for resolution of non-immediately resolvable requests and support sales, supply chain and other functions with the customer information such as invoice, acknowledgement, missed orders and others. So you can also check here with the all the responsibilities under the customer experience. So interested candidates, you please go through with the details mentioned here, and if you want to know more detailed information and also to apply for this position, the link is available in the description to apply for this position, so you can have a look on that one. Next one, there is a job opening for e-commerce catalog specialist position. It is from Just Docs India. So coming to roles and responsibilities, you need to manage daily operations for e-commerce, including updating product catalog and knowledge of listing, updating, uploading product data or specifications, and knowledge of product images on marketplaces such as Flipkart, Amazon, Paytm Mall, etc. And also maintain large online product catalogs, oversee the product content presented on website marketplaces, manage individual and bulk listings and account health. Ideal candidate should have hands-on experience of entire e-commerce operations ecosystem, and you need to manage and create individual and bulk listing of new products on the e-commerce portal and write engaging and descriptive product descriptions to improve conversion. So these are the roles and responsibilities. So please check with each and everything mentioned here. Next, coming to requirements, you should be having the experience in content and product upload for e-commerce sites, and also you should have worked on CMS, knowledge in e-retail, and should have experience working on MS Office such as Excel, Word and PPT, and knowledge of HTML and good communication skills are required. So you please check with all the details mentioned here about this position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, the link is available in the description to apply. So you can check in the description once for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing specialist position. It is from Trophy Care. So under the responsibilities, manage your digital marketing campaigns through all areas of the project lifecycle, and you need to clearly understand and implement digital marketing campaigns which fit the client needs, and also provide analytical reporting of campaigns to stakeholders. These are the responsibilities, and under the qualifications, bachelor's degree or equivalent is required, and fluency in MS Office such as Outlook, Excel, Word and PowerPoint etc. are required, and also experience with SEO and ACM, strong written and verbal and collaboration skills are required. So you should be having minimum 5 years of relevant experience in IT industry. So they are going to offer a salary will be 40,000 to 50,000 rupees per month for this digital marketing specialist position. So if you are looking for this type of job role, so you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is trophycare@gmail.com, and you can also check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for client servicing executive. So it is from Litmus Branding. So let us discuss about the responsibilities mentioned here, such as you need to act as a catalyst for the organization by being a brilliant representative of the company, and you need to manage effective communication between the client and the team, and assign tasks, coordinate between the creative team, review each step, offer suggestions and meet the project expectations, and juggle effectively between multiple clients' needs and ensure the timely delivery of the projects, and creating project quotations, preparation of invoices and agreements, and also you need to understand the core objective of clients' marketing needs, come up with implementable ideas and make recommendations accordingly. Next, the skills and the qualifications you must have, like graduation or MBA with excellent communication skills and 1 to 2 years of relevant experience is required, and prior experience with a graphic design, branding or advertising agency. And also you should be having some knowledge about digital marketing, so it could be a plus point to you. And coming to requirements, you should be having the excellent self-presentation skills and phone etiquette, and excellent management skills, research aptitude, strong desire to excel in the creative agency, and also well versed in Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So you can go through with all the details mentioned here, and if you want to know more detailed information and also to apply for this position, you can have a look on the description once for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for project coordinator. So it is from Brown Burger Co. And coming about the responsibilities, you have complete understanding of the product's technical aspects and the process of project execution, and you need to meet clients, understand client requirements, and collecting site measurements, and also coordinating with the estimation department and designers to convey and get the code designs with respect to the client requirements, and coordinating with the head office and the manufacturing unit regarding site conditions and project requirements, and also planning and scheduling the installation of projects and allotting the resources to simultaneous projects. So these are the responsibilities. You please check with this all. And coming to requirements, demonstrated experience in project management and coordination of simultaneous projects and proficiency in MS Office is required, and excellent organizational and multitasking abilities, problem solving skills, and quick grasping ability and leadership qualities should be there. So education qualification will be diploma, degree, diploma in civil, in architecture or interior, and also 2 to 5 years of relevant experience. So it will be a full-time job, and you are going to get a salary will be between 20,000 to 35,000 rupees per month. So you are going to get some benefits like cell phone reimbursement. So it will be a day shift. So interested candidates, you please go through with all the details mentioned here, and if you want to apply for this job role, the link is available in the description to apply. So you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for SEO executive. So it is from Excellent EduTech Solution. So only one vacancy is available for this position. 1 to 5 years of experience is required. And coming to job description, assist in the formulation of strategies to build a lost digital connection with the consumers, plan and monitor the ongoing company presence on social media such as Twitter, Facebook, etc., and launch optimized online adverts through Google AdWords, Facebook, etc., to increase company and brand awareness, and be actively involved in SEO efforts, keyword, image optimization, etc. Like you need to prepare online newsletters and promotional emails and organize them distribution through various channels. And also you need to provide creative ideas for content marketing and update website, collaborate with designers to improve user experience. So you can also check here with the rest of the responsibilities mentioned here. So if you are interested to apply for this position, then the link is available in the description to apply. So you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for project coordinator position. It is from Nimble Shops. So for this position, 3 to 5 years of experience is required. And coming to responsibilities, you need to monitor the daily progress of projects and providing detailed updates to project managers or clients, ensuring team members have the supplies and resources that they need to complete their assigned tasks on time and within their budget limits, organizing reports, invoices, contracts, and other financial files for easy access, planning meetings and organizing project presentation, and play a bridge between the client and technical team, work alongside with the project manager.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.